This is ICO review, and today I'm bringing in hot new ICO called SciDex. Well, what is SciDex? Let me check for you here, and it says SciDex is a decentralized market space which enables, simplify, and standardize the exchange of scientific data. It is a protocol and an ecosystem that subsidizes and incentivize different contributors to create and share data. For the first time, billions of dollars worth of isolated data will be democratized and traded, setting a new paradigm for advancement and collaboration in science. They'll be working a lot with all science and standardized exchange for scientific data. The white paper is well detailed. I go through it, and on your free time to try to go through their white paper. Now let's go down and check the team behind this. Just hold on a little. Now here we are. One of the co-founder is Alex Boaziz. I checked this guy up. He's on LinkedIn, and I checked some of other pages, and I tried to do a little research about him. And if you go down here, Shuo Wang is also a co-founder and co-CEO of Simon PLB, Philippe Boaziz, Konstantin Novalak, and you have like currently 3 advisors, which we believe more will come soon. Elegalam may not be new to some of you guys. This guy has been an advisor for some other investment or startups like that. One of them is CodePay. He says, meet our new advisor, Elegalam, advocated by a mathematician. Ellie is Chief Investment Officer of the eSmall Group. You can find him here. Also, Cryptago is also, you can still find him here, Elegalam. And the Facebook page of SciDex is this. They are on Twitter, they are on Telegram. The Telegram is huge. Community is growing rapidly, and they have admin. If you have any issues, any question you want to ask them, just send a message and they will reply you. And I love that about when an ICO has a Telegram group where you can make any question, any inquiry, and they can reply you immediately. Currently, 13,800 people like the Facebook page, and 15,125 people are following it, which is huge. Is okay for me. I believe this project will be a good one. I believe it's huge. The pre-ICO has not started yet, but it should be coming up very soon. So keep an eye on SciDex. I'm going to leave the website below. Just check on it, and as soon as the pre-sale starts, you can get yourself some token. But remember, I am not your financial advisor. This is for information purposes. Do what you want to do, make your research, go through the white paper, read more about it, join the Telegram group, ask any question you want to ask the admin, and make your decision. Thank you for watching this video. I love you guys. Please hit the like button, hit it well, and please subscribe. Once again, this ICO review. Good day.